biggest benefit to this course is learning how to structure presentations and the opportunity to practice giving presentations. Christy is a wealth of knowledge, and she tailors the class to the individuals, makes it very engaging and interactive to take.
After taking Speakers Training Camp, I'm a more confident speaker, and I feel like I've learned a lot of methods of improvement that I can take going forward.
If you have no clue how to act when you get on stage, this course is for you. So, when I first came in, I did not know how to be confident and how to deliver my message. But Christy taught us how to deliver our message effectively, be precise and concise, and a system that we can build on to give better presentations in our futures.